Hey guys, Randy Baruh here from the Corcoran Group with another real estate tip. If you're new to my YouTube page, I'm a real estate broker here in New York City specializing in luxury real estate sales. New York City is one of the most exciting places to live on the planet Earth and an amazing place to call home. But purchasing a property in NYC can be a bit more complicated than buying a home elsewhere. But with over 20 years of experience in the New York City real estate market, I like to think of myself as an experienced, trusted advisor. If you're thinking of purchasing a property in NYC, here are 7 things that you should take into account before making your final decision. Number 1, location, location, location. Everyone knows that real estate is all about location, but in NYC, this could not be more true. Every neighborhood from Tribeca to the Upper West Side, from Brooklyn Heights to Cobble Hill, has its own charm and personality. When considering a property, be sure to take into consideration the neighborhood it's located in. Is it close to public transportation? Are there any schools or parks nearby? What's the general feel of the neighborhood? How's shopping? How's restaurants? If you're looking for a quiet neighborhood, you might want to avoid areas that are close to bars or nightclubs. If you want to be close to greenery, be near Central Park or Prospect Park or Fort Greene Park. There's so many parks in New York City. All of these things can have a big impact on your quality of life. So take some time to explore the different neighborhoods and surrounding area and get a feel for the neighborhood. Number 2, the bones of the space. When looking for a home, train yourself to look past the interior design choices of the previous owner. Pay attention to the structural elements like the square